All right, guys. We are 3 months now officially into ownership of the G82 M4, and we are now installing the brand new G82 jqwerks steering wheel hub system. Right here, we got it paired with the Momo Monte Carlo steering wheel. This is gonna look really nice in the car. The thing I like most about this steering wheel setup is that it retains all the factory controls. If you look here on the steering wheel, I'll even display this in the thing, but you got your M1, M2 buttons, you got your volume control, you got your cruise control, everything is controlled with this joystick right here, even the phone. So this is going to be an awesome addition to the car. Can't wait to get it in. Let's go. Another thing I really like about the steering wheel is it's very easy to install. The hardest thing about installing this steering wheel is removing the factory airbag. But if you are as good as Sean is at it, it's actually not bad. The trick is you got to close your eyes. Okay, so we're
Are you gonna get there?
I'm gonna get there. Just hold on.
Patience.
Just gotta find the spot, you know?
What?
Real mechanic does it? Oh boy. If he gets it, I guess I'm buying lunch. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Bread Auto Works, I guess. I guess there's a reason that I don't work on cars anymore. Is no airbag light. So we do not have an airbag light when you install this. So another feature of this steering wheel is that it also comes with this pigtail harness right here. And this will be for your free to use buttons. Now on the steering wheel that comes with 2 buttons, you'll see right here and here. And these can be wired up to multiple different things, whatever you really want to. I would assume for this car, maybe it might be for traction control or the transmission mode button or something. We're not going to use this in mine, but you can use this for whatever you want. So you got your volume right here, track up, track down. The clicky is the best. The clicky. All right, so first impressions. I say first impressions because it's the first time I've had it in this car. I love the steering wheel itself, first of all. The Alcantara, it's a lot of maintenance because of the suede and everything, but it feels so good on your hands. The jqwerks steering hub system is just awesome. It lights up, the LEDs follow the brightness of the controller right over here, which is great. I opted for the white buttons. My Supra has the black buttons, which you can apply when you first get the steering wheel. I think the white looks cool, and it's probably gonna be a little bit brighter at nighttime too, which is nice. I don't drive much at night though. I just drive to and from work. So let's go take this thing for a spin, and I'm gonna have fun with these paddle shifters. We also just installed a JB4. Just got it on map 2 right now. We'll be getting a custom tune with Jesse De Beers here soon. And I also installed a XHP Stage 3 trans flash. So let's go ahead and put it in M2 real quick, manual mode, and let her rip. Can't really let her rip. It's about probably 30-some degrees here in Maryland right now. Oh, those paddle shifters, dude. I can't barely even get on it.
Got no traction.
No traction at all.
Yeah!
Oh boy. Well, I gotta say this thing. Let me turn the music up real quick. Oh. Nice. I love it. I love it. It feels so good. Oh gosh, this Stage 3 trans tune is a world of a difference from the Stage 2 I had on there before.
Let's go.
Oh boy. Always puts a smile on your face, right? Oh, this is beautiful, man. I love it. This is, once again, probably my favorite mod on the car. It's my favorite mod on the Supra as well, just because you're constantly engaged with it. I mean, yeah, it's a little expensive, but I mean, you get what you pay for, man. This thing is, it's a really nice piece.
Nice.
It's supposed to come right off. I'll blame that on Brett. He put it on too hard. All right.
Cool. Peace.
Peace.